Are you a Syspro user looking to further fast-track the AP invoice processing process? Then this tutorial is exactly what you're looking for. This tutorial will include the following: enable auto vouchering against a supplier, generating and updating invoices using auto vouchering, and lastly, querying invoices generated using auto vouchering. Welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to take a look at the Syspro Accounts Payable module, and this time we are focusing on the auto vouchering program. So stay tuned. When suppliers make a lot of deliveries in a day or in a week, it can be a lot to manage the invoices and the GRNs. Waiting for the invoice to be sent to the supplier and then matched to GRN numbers can be a lengthy process. The Syspro Auto Vouchering feature simplifies that process by automatically generating invoices for purchase orders received. This is a solution that can work for trusted suppliers who make daily deliveries of low value. Now let's take a look at how that looks like in Syspro. So we're going to start by going to Accounts Payable, and we're going to go to Setup, and we're going to look for Suppliers. I'm just going to make this bigger. Here you're going to enter the supplier code and you're going to tap off. Supplier details will be on the screen. We're going to come over to general information and we're going to scroll down all the way to auto voucher selection. And we're going to select yes. And as you can see, print, fax or email, you can choose whichever one you prefer. So I'm going to leave it at print. And we're going to save, and we're going to close the program. And that is how you enable auto vouchering against a supplier. So we're going to go to Accounts Payable, and we're going to go to Invoice Processing, and we're going to go to AP Auto Vouchering. And we're just going to make this bigger. So on supplier selection, you're going to select single and you're going to enter the supplier code and tap off. And you're going to come all the way to function. So here we're going to select generate and update. Then we're going to click on start processing. Okay. Start processing. Okay, there you have your invoices. Okay, just to note, re-established invoices are used or generated for returns. After we're done with this, we're going to just close the program. And that is how you generate an update using auto vouchering. I hope this tutorial is informative. Please be sure to like and subscribe. Now let's continue with the tutorial, querying invoices generated by using auto vouchering. We're going to start by going to Accounts Payable, then we're going to go to Supplier Query. I'm just going to make this bigger. And here we're going to enter the supplier code and then we're going to tap off. As you can see, invoices that are associated with this supplier are now on this screen. So for this specific company, there was a setup made so that the invoices that are auto vouchering should start with the numbers 2100. And for the invoice reference, it was set up that it should be AV, GRN, and with the GRN number. And we're just going to close this program. And that's how you query invoices generated using the auto vouchering program. We have reached the end of today's tutorial. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment which videos you'd like to see next. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our uploads. Please do connect with us on LinkedIn. Our link is in the description below. Thank you for watching this video.